Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the Apollo Group TV to your Firestick in 2026. The whole process will be pretty easy, and it's gonna take you only a couple of minutes. And the first step is we need to use the app called Downloader on your Firestick. You can get it totally for free, just go to search on the device and start typing Downloader in here. And as you can see now, it has already popped out for us at the bottom. Just click on it and here's the app, which you gotta get. But then after you got Downloader, it's not over yet because we still have to set it up. So to set up the Downloader now, let's go to settings by clicking that button with a gear icon, scroll down and open My Fire TV. And from here, you need to turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, go to install unknown apps, and from here just locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. So we return to a list of apps on a Fire TV stick, and there is the downloader, which we just set up. But before actually using the loader, there's one more thing, which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device that you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Finland right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use the downloader safely. So we go back to a list of apps on your device, locate the downloader, and let's open it up. And here, basically, you just go to the search bar, and now we'll need to enter the code, which is going to be 299336. So again, it's 299336. That's the code you have to enter. Then you click go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks. And now the download of the app has started. Usually, it does not take long, but since the file is pretty big, It all depends on your connection speed. If you got a slow connection, then it might take up to a minute, even, because there's more than 100 megabytes of data. And now, after the app got downloaded, we also need to install it to your device. So click on install and wait a bit until the installation is fully finished. After that, after it is finished, there's one more step that I recommend doing. I don't recommend you to click open yet. It's better to click on done instead, as this way you get the option to delete the installation files, which you don't need anymore on a Firestick device. So click delete and then delete once again. This way you will save yourself some free space on the Firestick. And it's really important because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much free space available anyway. And when you return back to a list of applications, you will find the Apollo Group TV in here. So that's the app that you got, but of course, as always, before enjoying such applications, don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use my link below this video to get 3 months of VPN for free. So enjoy it all and see you next time. Bye bye.